1, 2. अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। कस्तूरीतिलकं ललाटपटले वक्षस्थले कौस्तुभं नासाग्रे वरमौक्तिकं करतले वेणुकरे कङ्कणम् सर्वांगे हरिचंदनं सुललितं कंठे च मुक्तावली गोपस्त्री परिवेष्टितो विजयते गोपालचूरा नमः कमलना भाय नमः कमलमालिनी नमः कमलपादाय नमस्ते कमलेक्षणे यो ब्रह्माणं विदधाति पूर्वं यो वै वेदांश्च प्रहिणोति तस्मै तद्ध्वं देवमात्मबुद्धिप्रकाशं मुमुक्षुर्वै शरणमहं प्रपद्ये। बोल राधा कृष्ण भगवान की जय। The divine seekers, seekers of divine bliss, divine happiness, divine souls. First, let me say Radhe Radhe to each and everyone, and my pranam, my humblest prostrations to all of you here. Continuing on the theme of the divine compositions of Jagad-Guru Shri Kripaluji Mahaprabhu in his divine book Yugal Shatak, one of his many. So we've been doing Yugal Shatak for over 8 days now. There is 9th day. Continuing the theme and now doing the retreat. So now we're going to do Bhajan, Kirtan number 81. अवधर दानी राधे ब्रजरस खानी राधे ब्रज महारानी राधे भज मन राधे राधे। राधे ब्रज रस खानी राधे ब्रज महारानी राधे, भज मन राधे राधे।
अवधर दानी राधे, ब्रज रस खानी राधे, ब्रज महारानी राधे, ब्रज मन राधे राधे।
This beautiful kirtan is describing Radha Rani. I've been saying over and over that there's no difference between Radha and Krishna. Radhika Krishna Rupam cha Krishna Radha Swarupakah. Sanak Sanghita. The scripture says Radha Rani is the form of Shri Krishna. Shri Krishna is the form of Radha Rani. Radha Rani herself says in the Brahma Vaivat Purana, Mamaiva Paurusham Rupam Gopika Janamohanam. My male form is called Shri Krishna, who is the beloved of the gopis. Radha Rani, that entity called Radha Rani, is so high that even Shri Krishna worships Radha Rani. To describe the entity called Radha Rani, the Vedas say, Krishnena aradhyate iti Radha. Rig Vediya Radhikopanishad. Rig Ved mantra. The Vedas is saying that Supreme Brahma, Supreme Power, Shri Krishna, who Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva, everyone worships, he also worships someone. Kisi ki puja karte hain. He worships someone. Who is that personality, that entity that Shri Krishna worships? She is known as Radha. Bhagavan Krishna himself says in the Brahman Puran, Radhaiva radhyate maya. I worship only Radha Rani. Why? Why is Radha Rani so dear to Shri Krishna? The Vedas say, Atma tu Radhika tasya. Because Radha Rani is the Atma, the soul of Shri Krishna. So just as to the dearest thing to us is our own self, our soul, who we really are, the soul, the Atma. No matter how much anyone claims to love another, two people, husband and wife, boyfriend and girlfriend, declaring they will die for each other, with arms around each other, they're walking somewhere. You take a snake, rubber snake, not a real one, but looks very real, and throw it between them. One runs this way, one runs that way. In other words, our own self is more dear than anyone. Or else, the one who is making the claim, I will die for you, should have tried to protect the other one. It's not a reality. So our self is more dear. हम अपने को बहुत सबसे ज्यादा प्यार प्रेम करते अपने आप को. So if Radha Rani is the Atma of Shri Krishna, then imagine how dear she is to him. So the scriptures to describe what is Radha Rani, who is Radha Rani is impossible. Even Shri Krishna cannot describe. Shri Krishna took uncountable form to describe Radha Rani, yet he could not. Tau na payo par. could not find the end. It's one or two things the scriptures tell us. The more we know about an entity, the more we love. If we don't know, most people have no idea who Radharani is. They know Durga, Lakshmi, Saraswati, and so people have more love for those forms. Who is this Radha? Very few know. And that's the reason why there's not so much attachment, if we don't know. So the more we know about something, the more we love. That's why it's so important to understand, know who is Radha. Very few things have been given here to help us. So Avadhar Dani. The word Avadhar Dani means one who has an inexhaustible amount of given. That she gives so much and yet it's never exhausted. She just keeps giving. Inexhaustible. And she doesn't look to see whether someone is qualified or not. She just keeps giving. That's how Radharani is. So she is known as Avadhar Dani. Avadhar. Or Brajrasa Khani. The word Khani means storehouse. She is the storehouse of Brajras. What is Brajras? Brajras, the infinite bliss of divine love, Premanand. Divine bliss of Radha Krishna is also called Brajras. But this emanates from Radharani. Without Radharani, Shri Krishna has no name, no form, no quality, no pastime, nothing. All he is just Brahma, the formless absolute Brahma. When Radharani comes into Krishna, Shri Krishna, then he attains name, form, pastimes, etc. So without Radha, there is no Krishna, only Brahma. Abhino Radha, Krishna Adha. You've heard about this. So, she is the storehouse of that infinite divine bliss, Premanand, Brajras. A Braj Maharani, she is the queen of Vrindavan, Braj. Braj means the entire place of Kavana, Mathura, Vrindavan, Barsana, all is combined. This is called Braj. She is the queen of Braj. Her father was Barshabhanu. Besides that, this Braj we see, there are two Braj. One that we can see with our material eyes, and one we cannot see. There's a divine, within that Braj that we see with our material eyes, is a divine Braj. And we can't see because we don't have the right eyes. When Shri Krishna, Radha Krishna descends in the world, they bring everything, their divine abode also too. So this is a divine Braj. And she is the queen in Vrindavan, in divine Vrindavan. She is the eternal queen. To bhaj man Radhe Radhe. So mind that supreme divine goddess who is described as all these things. O my mind, chant her divine name, continuously think about her, meditate on her. Think about her and you will attain everything. Bhaja Brahm, and not so Shri Krishna, I told you, here some other personalities who worship Radharani. Brahma, Vishnu, Shankar. Small. I've told you before, there are uncountable solar systems in the universe. In this little galaxy we live in, which is called the Milky Way, there are thousands and thousands of suns. Scientists have now agreed with that. But the thing is that it is so much, so far away, millions and millions of light years away, that if they were to even develop a spaceship to go, they will never be able to reach. So it's millions and millions, but they have come in to accept that even in this little galaxy we call the Milky Way, there are thousands of suns. And every sun is surrounded by the planets, these 9 planets. It has its own planetary system. So it has a planet Earth, just like this planet Earth we are living in. That's called a Brahman. Brahman, because there's a Brahma that creates that solar system. Every solar system has its own Brahma, own Vishnu, own Shankar. One creates that solar system, Brahma. One sustains that solar system, Vishnu. And one destroys that solar system, Shiv. Bhinna bhinna pratiloka vidhata, bhinna Vishnu Shiva mana dishitrata. Every solar system has its own Brahma, Vishnu, Shankar. I told you, Devi Bhagavad also tells us, Sankhya chetaja samasti na vishwanam kadachana Brahma Vishnu Shivadinam tatha sankhya na vidyate. It may be possible to count every single grain of sand on the earth, but no one is able to count how many Brahmas, Vishnus or Shankars there are. Infinite solar systems, infinite galaxy. So infinite solar systems. So they are uncountable, infinite Brahma, Vishnu, Shankar. They are all Sri Krishna himself. I told you about this before. Hope you haven't forgotten. Sri Krishna, there's a manifestation of Sri Krishna called Mahavishnu. Then from that Mahavishnu comes the three Brahma, Vishnu, Shankar. The three governors of the solar system. So there's Sri Krishna himself. Don't think there's difference. There's Vishnu, there's Shankar, there's Brahma, there's Sri Krishna himself. But they're doing separate work of creating, sustaining and destroying. So uncountable. And they all worship Sri Krishna. All Brahma, Vishnu, they come from Sri Krishna. So they all worship Sri Krishna. And when they are worshipping Sri Krishna, Radharani, whom Sri Krishna worships, is even more important to them. That they also chanting Radhe Radhe, they also meditating on Radharani. Avadhar Dani Radhe, Braj Ras Khani Radhe, Braj Maharani Radhe, Bhaj Man Radhe Radhe.
अवधर दानी राधे ब्रज रस खानी राधे ब्रज महारानी राधे ब्रज मन राधे राधे
भज ब्रह्मानित राधे, भज विष्णु नित राधे,
भज ब्रह्मा नित राधे भज विष्णु नित राधे
भज शंकर नित राधे, भज मन राधे राधे।
ब्रज शंकर नित राधे भज मन राधे राधे
अवधर दानी राधे, ब्रज रस खानी राधे, ब्रज महारानी राधे, भज मन राधे राधे।
अवधर रानी राधे ब्रज रस खानी राधे ब्रज महारानी राधे भज मन राधे राधे।
great, great personalities besides Brahma, Vishnu, Shankar, Sanakadik, Paramhansas, from eternal, Sanak, Sanandan, Sanatan, Sanak Kumar, these are known as the four mind-born sons of Brahma. When Brahma was told by Shri Krishna to go and do creation, जाके एक सृष्टि करो. So first thing Brahma did, he created Babajis, the Saptarishis. These first thing, the four these Sanak, Sanandan, Sanatan, Sanak Kumar, they are topmost among Paramhans. They go wherever they want. Nobody stops them. They always remain 5 years old naked. So great personalities like them, Janakadik, Gyanis like Janak is known as Videha. There are many Videha, Videha Nimi, Videha Janak, etc. Again, Videha means Paramhans. Their soul, Sanakadik also Paramhans, but they are the mind born. They were not born from any womb of anyone, any woman. Brahma just meditated and they appeared, his mind-born sons. But Janak and all these other Videha, they also call Paramhans. Videha means one who has no feeling, I am the body. Videha. So great personalities like Janak also, many. They also worship Radharani. Or Naradji is counted among descensions of Sri Krishna. In Bhagavad Mahapuran, there's a chapter that speaks about all the descensions of Sri Krishna, special ones. And Naradji is counted amongst them. So Narad is not just a Muni. He performs just like Brahma performs, who Sri Krishna himself performed in the work of creating, Vishnu performed the work of sustaining, etc. Naradji, he being Sri Krishna, descension of Sri Krishna, performs the work of being a Rishi Muni, one of the Saptarishis also. Also, he is the son of Brahma, mind-born son of Brahma. So great personalities like Narad, etc., they all worshipping and singing the praises of Radharani, meditating on Radharani. Bhaja Brahma Sham Radhe, Bhaja Braj Narin Radhe. I told you already in the beginning that even Sri Krishna, Brahma Sham, means Sri Krishna. He is worshipping Radharani, he is chanting Radhe Radhe. It is said that Radharani, when Sri Krishna was in Dwarika, when he left and he came and got married to the 16,108 wives, queens, when he would go to sleep, from every pore of his body, Radhe, 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 that sound will come. Every pore. At times he will just yawn, Radhe. Always he was taking the name Radhe. That's Supreme Brahma, Sri Krishna, whom everyone in the universe is worshipping. He is always thinking about Radharani, meditating on Radharani. Of Bhaja Brajnarin, the gopis, of course, they worship Radharani. Radharani is their supreme governess. They all depend on Radharani. They love Radharani more than their life. Or Bhaja Uma Rama. Uma means Parvati, Durga. Rama means Mahalakshmi. Plus Saraswati, etc. The Vedas say, Kasma Dadikam Upasate Abhyadat. The question came once in the mind of some Brahma Jnani saints in the Vedas, leaving aside all the goddesses, divine Shaktis, Durga, Lakshmi, Saraswati, etc., why should we worship only Radharani? As soon as this question came in the mind of these Brahmagyani saints, a huge light appeared in the sky. एक बड़ा प्रकाश का पुंज. This was the Vedas itself. And the Vedas started glorifying Radharani. That all the divine powers of all the divine Shaktis emanate from Radharani alone. This is why we, the Vedas, also worship only Radharani. In other words, all these Shaktis, Durga, Lakshmi, Saraswati, they emanate from Radharani. And imagine, no one knows. They know about Durga, Lakshmi and all, but nobody knows who's Radha. And this is where all these Shaktis emanate from Radharani. Veda say. So they are also worshipping Radharani, meditating on Radharani, and they all chanting Radhe Radhe. This is why we also have to chant Radhe Radhe. Avadhar Dani Radhe Braj Ras Khani Radhe Braj Maharani Radhe Bhaj Man Radhe Radhe भज सनकादिक राधे भज जनकादिक राधे
भज सनकादिक राधे भज जनकादिक राधे
भज नरदा भज नारदादि राधे भज मन राधे राधे
भज नारदादि राधे भज मन राधे राधे
भज ब्रह्म श्याम राधे भज ब्रज नारिन राधे भज उमा रमा राधे भज मन राधे राधे
भज उमा रमा राधे भज मन राधे राधे.
Finally, the last stanza. The Saint Jagat Gurutam Sri Kripaloji Mahaprabhu is saying that, as I mentioned in other lectures also, the most beautiful woman in the material world is Rati, the wife of Kamdev. Rati, seeing Radharani, she is enticed by the beauty of Radharani. She becomes lost. In other words, Radharani is uncountable times more beautiful than even Rati. Ananta Guna, Rati ka jo chavi, Ananta Guna. Or Mohati Chavi. Chavi also came. Chavi means beauty. Beautiful, Chavi, beauty. So beauty, divine Chavi, not material. Divya took a divine form and appeared before Radharani. She is also enticed, seeing the beauty of Radharani, she became abashed, ashamed. Radharani is so beautiful. Or Mohati Nija Chavi. Not only that, Radharani is so beautiful that seeing her own form, in a mirror, etc., she also gets enticed by her own beauty. That she is so beautiful that she gets enticed by her beauty also. This is why Kripaluji Mahaprabhu says, everyone chant Radhe Radhe, meditate on Radha Rani. Avadhar Dani Radhe, Braj Ras Khani Radhe, Braj Maharani Radhe, Bhaj Man Radhe Radhe.
अवधर दानी राधे ब्रज रस खानी राधे ब्रज महारानी राधे भज मन राधे राधे
मोहती रति छवि राधे, मोहती छवि छवि राधे,
मोहती रति छवि राधे मोहती छवि छवि राधे
मोहती नित छवि राधे, भज मन कृपालु राधे।
मोहती निज छवि राधे भज मन कृपालु राधे
अवधर दानी राधे, ब्रज रस खानी राधे, ब्रज महारानी राधे, भज मन राधे राधे।
अवधर दानी राधे ब्रज रस खानी राधे ब्रज महारानी राधे भज मन राधे राधे।
बोले अवधर दानी रासेश्वरी राधा रानी की।
जय।
So the next bhajan kirtan we look at is number 29. It's a beautiful leela, pastime of Shri Krishna. मारे जन मोही मोरी मैया, मैया मैया मैया, मारे
जनी मोही मोरी मैया 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 मैया
मारे जनी मोही जाने मन जाने, मारे जनी मोही मोरी मैया, मैया मैया मैया,
मारे जनी मोही मोरी मैया 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 मैया
मैया मैया मैया
मैया मैया मैया।
बलराम और सारे ग्वाल बाल मैया के पास गए और कन्हैया की शिकायत की कि ठाकुर जी माटी खाते हैं। Balram, the elder brother of Sri Krishna, in this dissension, in the previous dissension as Ram Lakshman, he came as the younger brother. Ram was the elder brother. But in this dissension, Balram came first. And then Sri Krishna. So Balram is the elder brother. Sri Krishna has to give respect and listen to Balram. उनको मान देना पड़ेगा, इनकी बात सुनना पड़ेगा. So Balram and all the cowherd boys came to Yashoda Maiya and they complained about Kanhaiya. What is the complaint? Kanhaiya is eating dirt, mati. So Maiya decides she has to do something. Maiya loves Kanhaiya so much, more in her life. But being a good mother, she realizes that she has to discipline. A good mother, when the child does something wrong, punishes, disciplines. Doesn't have to do it in a way that will harm the child, but the child should learn this is wrong. So Maiya does not know that Kanhaiya is Bhagavan. If Maiya knew that her Lala, her Kanhaiya is Bhagavan, forget about threatening to beat him, she would have put him on a beautiful seat, a throne, and do arti whole day, all the time. So Kanhaiya, Shri Krishna, when he came to Braj, he made everyone forget who they are as well as who is Shri Krishna, and then he made himself forget also through the power of Yog Maya. So everyone behaved like ordinary people in the world. They are topmost of saint. Yashoda, Nanda Baba in the previous descension had attained God realization. Bhagwan appeared before them and told them to ask for a boon. Baram Bruhi. And they said, we want a son like you. Bhagwan says, there's none like me. I myself will come. So the topmost. All these cowherd boys, gopis, etc., they're topmost. But they're all living like ordinary worldly people. They get married, they have children, everything. Nobody even knows. Most of the gopis didn't know who they were, that they are saint. All to know there was this boy that they loved so much. Anyhow, so Maiya decided that she has to discipline Kanhaiya. Kuch dand dena, to give some punishment. So she took him and she took a little piece of a little stick. Maiya is. By the time she had Kanhaiya, she was pretty aged. Maiya had reached Maiya and Baba both pretty old when they had Kanhaiya. And Maiya loves Kanhaiya, so she took a little stick, tin little stick. Not to really beat him, threaten him, that's all. Maiya is not going to hit him. So she took the stick, a little stick, an old lady, and she's threatening, oh, why did you do that? Baldao told me, and the cowherd boys all came and complained. And Kanhaiya is very scared. He's trembling with fear. He's not acting here. There's no acting. If there was acting, nobody would enjoy. Because of Yog Maya, Kanhaiya told Yog Maya, stay out first. He told Yog Maya, make me forget who I am. And stay out of Braj, Vrindavan. Stay out of Vrindavan. Don't even come. So Yog Maya generally stayed out. But whenever he got in trouble, some Aghasur, Bakasur, all these Rakshas came to harm him, Yog Maya came and protected. So Kanhaiya, he's actually thinking Maya is going to beat him. And for a little child, a little stick is like a huge stick. Many mothers here take a little stick, you just show the child and they start bawling, you don't even have to hit them. So Kanhaiya is crying, and now he has to make up a big story. He has eaten dirt. Maya is going to get, Maya is going to see the dirt, everything. But he now, in order to save himself, he's so scared that Maya is going to beat him, he makes up an elaborate story. Trying to make Maya believe that he did not eat dirt. So he says, Maya, look, first thing, Maya, you always listen to Baldao. Dao Bhaiya, you always listen to him. Because he's bigger than me, you listen to him. You never listen to me. You never believe what I say. You believe Baldao. Maya, let me tell you. I'm telling you the truth. Maya, Bhaiya has told a lie. Oh, jhoot. Bhaiya has told a lie. Maya, he's lying on me. There's a reason. I'll tell you the reason, Maya. And he's crying. Crying. Shake him with fear, and he said, Maya, I did not eat any dirt. But Bhaiya made up the story, Maya. Maya, look, first to begin, you had told me Kanhaiya was very small. Amongst all the cowherd boys, he was the smallest. So Maya, and as I said, Maya did not know. वो नहीं जानते कि ये भगवान है. Maya did not know this is Bhagwan. So like a mother being protective of her little child, she told to Kanhaiya, do not go by the big cows. The cows can kick. They can do something, and some cow can, you go to a big cow, it's going to hurt you. Maya had told Kanhaiya, go by the small ones. Not knowing that Kanhaiya has the control of all the cows. So he says, Maya, remember you told me that I should not go by the big cows. Just the calves. Stay with the calves. You told me that because a cow can harm me. Kuch kar sakte. You told me this, Maya, remember. So, Maya is saying so. Okay, Maya, I'll tell you. मारे जनी मोही मोरी मैया 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 मैया
मारे जनी मोही मोरी मैया 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 मैया
झूठ ही दोष लगाओ मोही मैया
झूठ ही दोष लगायो मोही मैया
मैंने नहीं माठी खायो मैया 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 मैया
मैंने नहीं माटी खायो मैया 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 मैया
तू तो कहा भैया तू तो कहा मैया जयो जनी तू तो कहा मैया जयो जनी बिछ गैया
तू तो कहा मैया जयो जनी बिछ गैया
ओ मारे को गैया मैया 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 मैया
मारे काऊ गैया मैया 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 मैया
ओ मारे जनी मोही मोरी मैया 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 मैया
मारे जनी मोही मोरी मैया 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 मैया
So Kanhaiya is so scared, so afraid of a little stick and an old lady. Imagine that Kanhaiya, whom even death is afraid. Bhaya dasyagnishtapati bhaya tapati surya. The Vedas say that Kanhaiya is such a terror that even death, Yamraj, trembles with fear in front of Sri Krishna, Thakurji. Govindan mrityur vibheti. Gopal Tapani Upanishad, third mantra. Sri Krishna is such a terror, death is afraid of Kanhaiya. He, that Supreme Lord, that even death is afraid, up, he's trembling with fear from an old lady with a very thin little stick. And Maya is not going to hit him. Maya just want to scare him. So she's making up the story. So he says, Maya, so you have told me don't go, especially by the big cows, between them. Some cow can kick or something and hurt you. And Bhaiya told me, the cows, when we take the cows to graze, to the pasture, so many of the cows, they go between the trees and the forest. So Bhaiya ordered me, Baldao Bhaiya, my big brother, Baldao, to go and round all the cows up and bring them. But Maya, I remembered you told me don't do it. So I said, no, I'm not going to do it. I am not going to round up the cows. This never happened. This is a story he's making up. Remember that? This is a story he's making up. Big story. And not only that, Maya, today there was a game. Baldao Bhaiya and all the cowherds, all my cowherd friends, there was a game. All of us we were playing, and there was a race. All kinds of game. One of the game was a race. Who is the fastest? And in that race, Baldao Bhaiya lost. He came last. So Maya won. I told him, no, I'm not going to round the cows up. And now he lost in the game. He came last. So Maya, he got really, really angry now. He really got angry. Mare jani mohi mori Maya, 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 Maya,
Mare jani mohi mori Maya, 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 Maya.
La bahori gaiya kah bhaiya.
La bahori gaiya kah Maya.
Aaju gaiyo nahi Maiya, 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 Maiya.
Aaju gayo nahi Maiya, 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 Maiya.
Aaju daur maha haryo bhaiya.
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 Khijo aur hu Maiya, 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 Maiya.
खींचो और हूँ मैया, 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 मैया.
O mare jani mohi mori Maiya, 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 Maiya.
मारे जनी मोही मोरी मैया, 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 मैया.
हाँ, तो कन्हैया खींच गए, उनको गुस्सा आ गया और Kanhaiya became more angry when I was refusing to go and round up the cows. Because I remember you told me don't go between the big cows. And secondly, he became last. He came last in the race. So he really got angry. So he said in his anger, he wanted to take revenge. तो चलू ढिग मैया इमी कहे और मोही डर पाए. So he says, hey, Kanhaiya, I'm going to take you in front of Maya. Maya के साथ सामने ले जाएंगे और आपकी शिकायत करूंगा. मैया को कहूंगा कि आपने माटी खाया, हमको डरा दिया. So Kanhaiya is saying, he's make up the story that Bhaiya said, Acha Kanhaiya, I'm going to fix you. You're not going to round up the cows. He's not talking about he lost the race, but you're not going to round up the cows. So I'm going to fix you. I'm going to take you in front of Maiya, and I'm going to tell Maiya you ate dirt. In this way, Kanhaiya is saying, Maiya, he got me very scared. He threatened me. This is all a story he's making up. Remember that. Mare jani mohi mori Maiya, 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 Maiya.
मारे जनी मोही मोरी मैया 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 मैया
Maiya, Maiya, Maiya.
मैया मैया मैया
चलू ढिग मैया इम कही भैया
चलो ढिग मैया इमी कही भैया
मोही डर पाए हूँ मैया 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 मैया
मोही डर पाए हूँ मैया 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 मैया
ओ मारे जनी मोही मोरी मैया 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 मैया
मारे जनी मोही मोरी मैया 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 मैया
Ah, Maiya. Not only did he threaten me, he went and he spoke something in the ears of all the cowherd boys. कान में जाके कुछ पुस 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 बताया. He went in the ears of all my friends and said something about me, I guess, that they all went against me. I look at the stories because not only did Balram, all the cowherd boys came and complained to Maiya. So Maiya will think that if Balram is saying the false, all the cowherd boys, everyone is saying the same thing. So Kanhaiya has to make his story really good. So he says, Maiya, Bhaiya, Baldao Bhaiya, he went and he said something that I had done something. He told him some secret, something that I'm not supposed to tell, like Kanhaiya took your cow and put it far away, and that's how you couldn't find your cow. So they got angry with me. So he told them something in theirs, and they all took his side. And Maiya became alone. Ab mera koi nahi. And this is, Shri Krishna is alone, always alone. He's always was there, and he will always be there. He's no mother, no father. This is a different pastime that he performs. He says, Maiya, I am alone. So in his story also there's some truth. But he's making up this very elaborate story. So hoping Maiya will believe. So Maiya, please don't beat me. Mai kalo Maiya. Amohi ruawat kahanit bhaiya karo karo. Not only that, Maiya, every day he makes me cry. Roz humko rurate hai. How does he make you cry? Humko karo kehte, karo karo. He says, black boy, black boy. He calls me black boy all the time. I told you that Shri Krishna is not black. But in India, either somebody is fair, Gora, and if they're not Gora, they're Kala. So because Shri Krishna wasn't fair, so everybody called him Kala. But he's not Kala. Anyhow, so sab unko Kala Kala kehte the. Everybody is calling him. This house name Sham also came. Sham Rang. Sham means darkish in complexion. So he is calling me black boy, and he makes me cry every day, Maiya, when he calls me black boy, black boy. I'm not black, Maiya. And he calls me black boy, so he makes me cry every day like this, Maiya. Look, and you believe in? Mare jani mohi mori Maiya, 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 Maiya.
मारे जनी मोही मोरी मैया 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 मैया
Maiya, Maiya, Maiya.
मैया मैया मैया
Punika कह सखन कान कछु मैया।
पुनि कहि सखन कान कछु भैया।
पुनि कह ओ सखन मिलायो मैया। मैया मैया मैया
सखन मिलायो मैया। मैया मैया मैया।
सखन करत सोई सखन करत सोई जो कह भैया।
सखन करत सोई जो कह भैया।
Because Balrao Bhaiya had put all the cowherd boys against me, Maiya. So whatever he said, they accepted. And they made this plan. Bhaiya was going to say, and everybody was going to say yes, and Bhaiya ate that. Everyone took Bhaiya's side, and I am alone. Sakhan karat soi jo kah Bhaiya.
सखन करत सोई जो कह भैया।
मैं रहा इकलो मैया। मैया मैया मैया।
मैं रहा इकलो मैया। मैया मैया मैया।
मोहि रुआवत रहा नित मैया।
मोहि रुआवत रहनित भैया।
ओ कारो कही कही मैया। मैया मैया मैया
कारो कही कही मैया। मैया मैया मैया।
ओ मारे जनी मोही मोरी मैया। मैया मैया मैया।
मारे जनी मोहि मोरी मैया। मैया मैया मैया।
So Maya is not given any heed to Kanhaiya. Maya is already figuring out he's making a big story. But Kanhaiya says, you see Maya, मैंने कहा था कि आप बलराव भैया वो बड़ा है, इनकी बात हमेशा मानती, मेरी बात कभी नहीं, मैं छोटा हूं ना मैया, आप मेरी बात कभी नहीं मानती. So Maya is seeming that Maya is not going to believe. So Kanhaiya says, finally, he's trying to put his big thing now. Look, Maya, I told you already that because Bhaiya is bigger than me, you always listen to Bhaiya, what Bhaiya says, Balrao Bhaiya. And you never listen to me, you never accept what I say, you never believe me. But Maya, I'm telling you truthfully, I did not eat dirt. Bhaiya is lying on me. Anyhow, the truth came out eventually. Kanhaiya finally decided, it's not written in the Leela here, but it's in Bhagavad, that he decided to say, he said to Maya, Maya, if there's dirt in my mouth, if I ate dirt, it should be in my mouth. Very bravely. Very bravely that Maya will think, well, if he's saying like that, maybe there is not. If when the police are going somewhere and people start behaving in a certain way, there's a doubt. When the moment they see the police, they start acting in a strange way, then the police realize that something is going on. But if they are very brave, then this is fine. So Kanhaiya puts a very brave face and says, Maya, if I ate dirt, then there should be dirt in my mouth. Maya said, yes, aap kholo. Maya said, okay, open the mouth. Kanhaiya never expected Maya will say, open the mouth. Now Kanhaiya is thinking what to do. Ab kya karu? If I open the mouth, there's dirt. Because there is dirt in the mouth. And if I refuse, Maya will think that's why he's not opening. Kanhaiya closed his eyes and is waiting. The mouth opened by itself. Apne aap khul gaye. In the fear, the mouth opened by itself. And Kanhaiya knew there was dirt in there, and Maya is seeing the dirt, and he closed his eyes and the tears are running and he's really trembling with fear and is just waiting when the stick will come and hit him on his head, on his back, on his feet, on his legs, somewhere, where the fourth stick is going to hit. And he's waiting and waiting and nothing happened. So he opened his eyes gingerly and Maya is unconscious on the ground. Maya is lying unconscious and Kanhaiya said, "Acha, wo Chudail aa gayi." Oh, that witch came. That witch, Yog Maya. When Kanhaiya's mouth opened, I told you Yog Maya comes whenever there's a problem to save. He's her master. So the moment the mouth opened, Yog Maya came in the mouth of Kanhaiya, and that little mouth, remember he's a little child, Maya is seeing the uncountable solar system. The entire universe in that little mouth of Kanhaiya. Maya's head started spinning. And Maya fell long unconscious. What kind of magic is this? Maya started doubting. Anyhow, Kanhaiya realized what happened. "Hey, Chudail! Yeah! Hey, you witch, come here quickly." Yog Maya came. "Hey, yes, master, yes, sir. Acha, I know what you did. You have to revive Maya, but first, make her forget everything. Let Maya should not remember she saw this in my mouth, or because then she would not love me anymore, would not give me milk, would not put me on her lap. Make sure she forgets everything and revive her." It happened. Maya was revived. Maya got up. She saw Kanhaiya, Lala in front of her. She's thinking, "Oh, I'm getting really old. Satya gaya. My head is going, I'm going crazy. This is my Lala." Oh, chumne kiya, I started kissing and everything. So Kanhaiya bach gaye. So, but he made up all this big story because he was so scared of Maya. Boy Kanhaiya Lal ki, Yashoda Maya ki, Larli Lal ki. So we're not finished, right?